to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about, her store and the things that she has on sale. So, right now, her sheets are going for 400 and her blankets 2 for $90. So, go on over and support Marcia's business and continue to support her entertainment, which brings laughter to our lives every day. And she's talking about more stuff as well, but I just wanted you guys to know that you should go over and purchase something from her. I will leave her number in the descriptions so you can check it out there. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for making it the mix.
Me know me come out of her. I remember I told you guys I have sales. Not sales, I have something selling. And I have 4 quilts. Me just go check my truck a while ago. I say I need one something there. Ear thing. What do you call it? That's something I used to cool down the engine, the gas. How do you call it again? Ear sensor. Ear sensor. So all I need to do is to come and buy some stuff so we can go order it. I know how much money it costs. And go get it put on tomorrow. That's why my gas run out so quick. He say make a gas run out. It make a gas burn gas more. It's a cooling something. I need to go to AutoZone and get it. I don't trust Amazon. Amazon's sitting in my third party sitting. Well, I'm a third party, but you have different something. So come and get some stuff and help out Sister Everbliss. Yes, my dear. Me not in a tracing with nobody right now, Me have my energy for save for something else. Me I wait until later. I'm waiting. I tell you. I was here. I went to post office and I ship off the people I'm supposed to ship off, right? I have 2 people. I think me have one man and one other lady who gone to Jamaica tell me so when she ship off hers. And me did something there. So I get my oil change and so that is it. So I just need to go get the sensor. So I have some quilts. Normally I sell them for $60. I'm gonna sell them 2 for $90. So come and get them. I'm gonna sell 2 for $90, 2 for $100. So I can sell them off to get my stuff then for my car. I have to get the car proof, Come here a lot of driving for this year. And so I have to make sure say all those little small issues. So when I drive, overeat, because that stuff that I need is to cool the engine. I see the light come on, and I thought it was from the aisle, the engine aisle maintain. Me think it was from that the light come on. But when they run the diagnostic on it, I realized I need a cooling sensor. So all I have to do is to come and buy a couple things so I can go to the store. Because I say I'm spending a whole money I have to pay people, I have to pay this as somebody, and I have to pay this as some money I pay. And so all I need to do is to come and get it so I can get the sensor. I can get the sensor put on. That's the only thing that it needs. They need a cooling sensor. Well, me call it parts store and get it. So all I need 3-4 people to shop, and so I can get an extra to go do that. So and that's all the diagnosis show that it needs. Cause I have to go do inspection, I think about the next week or so. But me want this to put on immediately. So all you guys have to do is to come and get. I have stuff at the storage. and you come and get it, because you know it's me alone, and you know my car is my lifeline when I have to do my business. So you want to make sure, and winter is coming, although you know you want to make sure that everything is set and ready. Me get all my tires them already, yes. But you're telling us if you can support my business and buy my tires, no didn't. But nevertheless, I get to buy my tires them. So my tires them fixed already for the winter. Me get all of my tires them. And they were expensive, $300 a piece, and so forth. So and you know, if you do this and do that. So the only thing is showing now is to get the cooling stuff, the cooling sensor. That is it. And I call the parts stores. How would them say? O'Reilly's. Them have one, AutoZone must have 2 or 3 left. Them, and so all I need you guys to do is to come and buy my sheets and my quilt, and that's all it is. And so I can go pick up that sensor stuff tomorrow and get it put on my vehicle. Yes, so I can get it. I can get it over with and get it fixed, so the engine cannot overheat or nothing like that. You know, so me see that lighter come on already one time. It come on last year, you know. Oh shit. Hold on, what time is it now? 5:30. What time is it now? Me never get no food for Coco. Coco no have no more canned food. Man, look coming out the summer, you know? Shit. Me no have no more canned food for Coco. Coco no want the dry food. You know, the cat a broke too bad, you know? Me not lie. The cat a broke very, very bad. And me give her, last night me open up tuna and give her the tuna. But she don't want name the dry food. He just name a little bit. He want canned, juicy canned food. So let me turn back or get it. Cause me want to make sure she makes me nicer up before. You know? Me want to give her what she... Hello? Yes. Maybe call and let you know. Maybe next hour or so. Rain still fall said we know. I'll let you know. Okay. Alright. So let me go get him some food. I'm gonna pick her. I'm gonna pick him something up in the supermarket. And stuff, cause he's, and look, I'm there right. Guess what I'm gonna? I'm just come say shit. Coco don't have any food. He have food here now, dry food, but he broke bad. He have a dry food. I not name it that much, but if you get the can one now, he name it. So Coco is a kind of little bit spoiled. You understand? Because if I know some people that say, listen. If she hungry, should have name what she gets. But me not stay like that. I broke her bad already, so might as well. You never don't stop. Me broke her bad already, so might as well. I just go get the food give her. Might as well. Might as well. Cause if you broke her bad, me make sure nice her up. You know what? Me got a pet store, so me can get her some. Me get her a couple can of the nice one. Cause like how me now go see her very soon. Me got a pet go and pick up some for her. Pick up some of the nice one for her and friend her up. Because me now got a supermarket one. Me got a pet store. Me know her favorite one. She like the one where you peel off the back. Like how me now, cause me giving her away now. The lady next door is gonna take her, so might as well me just feed her the nice gourmet one where you pull the paper back. Cause me not gonna see her again for a long time. Me tell her to keep her until me ready for her, but me don't know when me ready for her, cause I don't know. I tell you, I don't know, honey. I wonder if Coco remember me. But me can go look for Coco when me ready. I wonder if my want come at me. Coco now go busy with me, because once Coco Once Coco start friend with little dog, me not answer him now. He ma come for a kind of number. This is a man that is in love with me. And he asked me to marry him. I know him for a few years. But me don't like a mama's boy. I don't like a mama's boy. Him no want a green card, cause I'm having paper. Him have him education. He can't get any job. Any woman that glad for have him. Any woman have him, any woman forget him. Well, let me tell you something. When a man is in love with you, let me give you now 401. When a man is in love with you, and then say you they want, they're gonna do anything to get you. But if you're not in love with them, that's a problem. And not because a man may have education and can get a big job and do all kind of something. It does not mean nothing to me. And what kind of business that you do? What kind of motherfucking business you do? Once you turn me off, once I give you the opportunity to prove yourself to me, and you jeopardize that, not once, not twice, me turn off from you. You can't get me to February. You can't get me back to bring back that feelings. So if I would have dealt with him, I would be using him. I'm in a use man. I mean, no, is a man when me know say we kiss me foot when me ground when me walk on. But what you cannot once a man disappoint you in many ways. You know, you and it's not like another. It's just that when them have to learn to be a man in the sense that it's when it come to son and mama and start or something there. Yeah, you have to learn. You have to learn. Me not in a no ramping with nobody. Been there, done that with mother-in-laws and in-laws. And you see when you're controlled by family members in the sense way, because you have some mothers out there now. You have some parents out there, listen to me. You have some parents out there that are very established in their own rights. Jamaican parents, right? And them use that money and what them have to control their children. And when, especially when them have a son, one son or something, them use those properties and stuff to control. And when you don't do what them say, you fi do. I them want to treat you like a little boy. And if you don't do what them say fi do, what them fi do is become an issue. It's becoming the sense of threat. I'm gonna take you off my will. You ain't gonna get nothing, you know, and because they have to have control. Well, I'm letting the man them out there. He says, Mama have and Papa may have, blessed child that you have your own. If you love a woman, and it does nothing to do with me. If you love a woman, or your mother is your one son or whatever, she could have the whole world, because even if she dead.